Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to deactivate messenger account. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up Facebook Messenger application in your Android and iOS, and once the application is opened up, just tap on three lines at the top left here, then tap on settings here, and then you need to basically scroll down until you see account settings option. So just tap on this one, and then it will open up the account settings, and scroll down and tap on account ownership and control, and here you can see this option where it says deactivation and deletion. So just tap on this one, and now here you can see that deactivating messenger. First you need to deactivate your Facebook account, then you can deactivate messenger. Okay, so in order to deactivate your messenger account, you first need to deactivate your Facebook account, and to delete your messenger you'll need to permanently delete your Facebook account. When you delete your Facebook account, your messages and messenger information will also be deleted. So first you need to basically deactivate or delete your Facebook account, and then your messenger account will automatically gets deleted or deactivated. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.